Dear friends, welcome to Quest for Knowledge. This is third video on Python programming. If you haven't seen the earlier videos, I would recommend you to watch those videos first for better understanding. Link to those videos are given in the description box. Today we will discuss Python data type, and that is list. List basically is a collection of data items stored in a particular order, and we can put anything we want into a list, and that makes a list a powerful data type. In this video we will talk about all the operations we can perform on list. We will see how to create list, how to access element of list, the modification we can done on list. We can add new items, we can also remove the items of list, and we can reverse the list item. So let's begin. So to start list, first open Python IDLE, and how to open it, how to work on Python IDLE we have discussed in first video. You can refer the link written in the description box. And this is Python prompt, and this particular window is Python shell. We can write our command and we can see the output. So first we'll see how to create list. To create list, first write variable name, and here I am creating fruit list. So variable name is fruit, and anything enclosed in square bracket is considered as list items. So inside single quote you can write your list items, and items are separated with comma. Just put comma and next item you can write inside single quote, then comma, and another item you can put inside it and press enter. When you write print and inside parenthesis, when you write fruit, press enter. See, list items has been displayed, and we have 3 items as of now. And if you want to know the length of your list, you can use built-in function, that is length, and inside parenthesis you can specify your list, and when you press enter it will show up how many elements are there in the list. So there are 3 elements, so it will return 3 as the length of list. You can also modify this particular list. If you want to change this particular apple with another fruit name, you can access this particular item. And to access item from list, we have indexing. Indexing start from 0. So first element is 0 index, next element is 1, and next one is 2, and so on. So to access first element, just write fruit, and inside square bracket you can write 0. So here what we are doing, we are assigning first element with another element, and I am writing another fruit name, and when we press enter, fruit 0, that means the first element of this particular list has been updated with pineapple. Just write print, and inside parenthesis you can provide your list name, and list is fruit, and when you press enter you can see the difference. First element has been updated with pineapple, and this is the reason we call this particular list mutable. Mutable means we can change the value of particular variable after creation. So here we have changed the value of list after creation, and that makes list a mutable data type. Now we can insert more element to it with the help of inbuilt function of list, and we have append function. And to use inbuilt function we use this particular dot operator and then function name, and inside parenthesis we can specify new item. Now I want to append apple, and this particular append function adds the element in the end. when you press enter, this apple has been added to end of this particular list. If you want to see the list item, just write print and inside parenthesis your list name, and when you press enter, it will show up the updated list item. Now we have 4 items in the list: pineapple, orange, mango and apple. To insert element at a particular position, we use insert function, and that is inbuilt function of list. So we write list name, then dot, and function name is insert, and inside parenthesis we provide 2 parameters. First parameter tells the index position. This one index means we are talking about second element, second position, because indexing starts from 0. So here we want to insert a new element from second position. So you can write 1 and comma and the element which you want to insert inside this particular list. So next fruit I am inserting in the existing list, and when we press enter, this particular fruit has been updated to this particular list. To see the difference, we can print the value of list and just pass list inside parenthesis, and when you press enter, you can see in second position new fruit has been added. So with the help of insert, we can insert new element at particular position. We can specify the index and we can specify the new element that has to be added in the list. So we can use append and insert. Append adds the element in the end, and with the help of insert, we can insert element at a particular position. If you want to modify particular element, you can also do that we did earlier, right? So if you want to remove particular element from list, you can do the same with the help of another inbuilt function, and that is remove. You can write fruit dot remove, and inside parenthesis you can specify which element you want to delete. So here we are deleting a fruit from list, and when you press enter, so this particular fruit has been deleted. To see the difference, again write item of list and just write list name, and when you press enter, you can see that particular banana fruit has been deleted from the list. So with the help of this remove inbuilt function, you can delete a particular item from the list. We can also reverse the item of list with the help of reverse inbuilt function of list. And to use reverse function, just write variable name, then dot, and your function name, reverse, parenthesis, and enter. So this particular function reverse the element of the list. To see the changes, just print the value of list, and when you print the value of list, you can see items has been reversed. First item has become the last one, and the last item has become the first one. So elements now has been reversed. Now to get the sub items from the list, we use the slice operator. To use slice operator, we specify 2 numbers inside square bracket. We specify 2 numbers, and this colon is the separator between those 2 numbers. And here first number specify the starting index 0. 0 means we are going to extract from 0 index, and this 4 is excluding. Excluding means this 4th index element won't be considered in the sub item. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So item will be displayed from 0 to 3. So 0 to 3 means this particular 0, 1, 2, 3. That means 0 to 4 will get you the whole list. So to get items from second element, you can write your list name, and inside square bracket you can write 1, and 1 is the index position of second element, and you can specify 4. So it will get you the element of list starting from second position. So it is clear that in slice operator we specify two parameter, and the first parameter, the first index is inclusive and the second parameter is exclusive. That means the second parameter is not included in the extraction. If you want to take out two elements from the list, you can specify the indexing accordingly. If you want to extract second and third element, you can write list and second element, that means index 1, and you want to extract till this third element. So index of third element is 2, so we need to specify 3 because the second number is not included in the extractions. So when you press enter, you can see two elements has been extracted from the list. So in this way you can use slice operator to get the sub items from the list. Hope you have learned something more on Python. If you have any doubt, you can write me on comment box, and thanks for watching.